everyone. Today's lesson topic is the effect of electromagnetic waves on human health. Uh, the purpose of training examination of the effect of electromagnetic and the sound waves on the human body. When electric charges move along the conductor, a magnetic field is created. An electromagnetic field is a special form of matter through which an action is created between charged electromagnetic particles. James Clerk Maxwell. In 1860 to 1865, Maxwell developed the theory of the electromagnetic field, analyzed all the known laws of electromagnetic at the time, and made attempts to apply them to electric and magnetic fields that change over time. He drew attention to the asymmetry of the relationship between electromagnetic and the magnetic phenomena. Here's Heinrich Rudolph. Hertz is one of the founders of electromagnetic. In practice, he proved the presence of electromagnetic waves and determined the basic properties of electromagnetic and light waves. He gave Maxwell's equations symmetrically. Electromagnetic pollution of the environment has long been called electromagnetic smoke. Scientists talk about the electromagnetic danger to humans, and this problem began to worry everyone. The main sources of electromagnetic radiation in modern human life: electric transport trams, trolleybuses, electric trains, electric networks, urban lighting, high voltage networks, household appliances, television and radio stations and transmitting antennas, satellite and cellular communication transmitting antennas, radar, personal computers. The most dangerous fields are microwave fields, centimeter and centimeter and millimeter waves affect the skin, and the diameter penetrates to depth of 10 to 15 centimeter and hits the internal organs. Magnetic field strength at different distance devices: a two-person hair dryer, electric stove, and the television. This test explains the fact that individual men refuse to use electric razors. Not talk about heat gauge. Yes, similar complaints can be heard from the women who regularly use a hair dryer. Employees of the electromagnetic safety centers conducted an independent study of a number of computer widely used in our market and found that the level of electromagnetic fields in the user area exceeds the level of information. Consequences of constant work with computer without the use of protective equipment: visual diseases, 60 users, disease of the cardiovascular system 60%, diseases of gastrointestinal tract 40%, skin diseases 10%, different types of tumors. Computer electromagnetic radiation is particularly dangerous for children and pregnant women. pregnant women working on a computer with a display in cathode ray tubes were found to have a 1.5-fold probability of pregnancy, and the children with con- congenital malformations 2.5-fold. Main directions based on prediction. Selection of operating modes of radiation equipment that do not exceed the permissible level of radiation. Limit the place and time of travel to the electromagnetic field. Protection by distance and time. Marking and fencing of areas with a high electromagnetic field. The reporting and preventive measures. Organization and the implementation of control over complements with the hygiene standards, the mode of operation of the personal serving sources of electromagnetic fields, identification of occupational disease caused by environmental factors, development of measures to improve working conditions and the life of employees, increase the resistance of the working body to the influence of adverse environmental factors, engineering and technical service. They are based on the use of the phenomenon of shielding electromagnetic fields to limit the parameters of the field source in a person's place of radius of during events.